Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add frequently used folder to send to menu in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, click Run. Shell command send to. Click OK. Right-click File Explorer. Click File Explorer. Right-click Frequently Used Folder. Click Create Shortcut. Click Yes. Simply drag the folder shortcut to send to folder. Right-click any file. Frequently used folder is added successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.